Nestled 2.5 hours away from the hustle and bustle of Singapore lies Telunas Private Island, a boutique resort best known for its pristine beaches, azure waters and untouched mangrove forests. This weekend, we are heading out to Telunas and unravel the secrets of its beauty and immerse ourselves in a few days of exploration. Accessible only by boat, the island ensures an exclusive and tranquil haven for its guests. It had been raining since we arrived, and as soon as the sun came out, we quickly got ready and grabbed the opportunity to explore the island. As we take that first step onto the ridge, the verdant canopy envelops us. The air is alive with the gentle rustle of leaves and the harmonious symphony of exotic birds. The towering trees provide a natural canopy, filtering the sunlight and creating a magical play of shadows on the forest floor. It's a sensory journey. The vibrant colours, the crisp, clean air, and the distant murmur of the ocean create an immersive experience. We follow the path down as it meanders gracefully along the ridge. With each turn, we are greeted by panoramic views of the azure waters and lush landscapes below. The mangroves of Telunas are not just a spectacle for the eyes. They are a crucial part of the island's ecosystem, providing a sanctuary for diverse marine life and acting as a natural buffer against coastal erosion. Exploring the mangroves was like entering a secret world, where the intertwining roots formed intricate patterns beneath the water's surface. After taking a walk along the mangrove beach, we headed out to the jetty and tried our hand at fishing. Luck was not on our side as the fish was not biting. While we were fishing, dark clouds began to gather and we decided to head back to our villa. As the distant rumble of thunder echoed through the air, a sense of urgency propelled us to briskly ascend the steep hill. Each step felt purposeful, the adrenaline spurred by the approaching storm fueling our pace. The rain started to pour as soon as we got to our villa. As the heavens wept, we cradled a steaming cup of tea in our hands, its warmth a comforting contrast to cold, pouring rain. While we wait for the rain to stop, we are already thinking of our next adventure.